Hey everyone, in this video I will explain how to fix Lego Fortnite not working. Let's get started. The first solution is to run Epic as admin and change Fortnite's compatibility settings. So to do that, on your desktop, right click on Epic Games Launcher and click on Open File Location. Then in here, right click on Epic Games Launcher again and go to Properties. On the top, click on Compatibility and make sure run this program as administrator is checked. After that, just click on apply and OK. And next, close this tab and open up your Epic Games Launcher. Then in here, click on library. Next to Fortnite game, click on these three dots and choose manage. Then click on this folder icon and open up Fortnite games folder. Next, binaries and Win64. In this folder, look for these 4 files with Fortnite icons. Once you find them, we need to change the compatibility settings for them. So to do that, just right click on them one by one and go to Properties. On the top, click on Compatibility and make sure to check this one, run this program. And then after that, disable full screen optimization. If anything else is checked, uncheck them. After that, just click on apply and OK. We need to follow the same process with the other 3. Once you're done, then open up Epic and see if the problem is solved. If not, then try the next solution. The next solution is to clear Fortnite and Epic's cache files. So to do that, on your keyboard, press Windows key and R to open up Run. And type in there %local app data % and click OK. In here, we need to delete these 4 files: Epic Game Launcher, Fortnite Game, Unreal Engine and Unreal Engine Launcher. By deleting these files, it won't affect Epic or any games. So go ahead and find them one by one and delete them. Once you clear the cache files, then hopefully it should be working fine. If none of the solution worked for you, then you can try the next method. You need to make sure your graphic card is all up to date. So to do that, I've left 3 links in the video description for Intel graphic card, AMD and Nvidia. So all you need to do is just select the correct information and after that just click on search. Then at the bottom you will see all the latest versions in here. So you can just download the latest one and then after that you can try to see if your game is launching properly. And also you need to make sure your Windows is all up to date. So to do that, just go to Windows Update, then check for updates manually, and if there is any updates available, make sure to download and install them. Next solution, open up your command prompt. So to do that, just go to search bar and type in there CMD. Make sure to run it as administrator. Type this command in the command prompt, sfc / scan now, and then press enter. If there are any bugs on your computer, this command will repair it. And while you got the command prompt open, type the following command to clear DNS caches. You need to copy and paste all these commands in here one by one. These commands will clear the DNS caches. I will also leave the commands in the video description. After you've done this, then just close this one and open up your task manager. So to open up task manager, right click on Windows Start button and select task manager. In here you need to close the applications that you don't need while you're playing games, as they are occupying space like Google Chrome or any other applications. And that's all. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider supporting me and subscribing for more videos. Thanks for watching.